Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw tractor. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Let's color together. We are using red color. Red color. This is red color. Which color we are using? We are using red color. Good job. This is red color. Yellow color. This is yellow color. Orange color. Black color. Subscribe to my channel. Light blue color. This is light blue color. We are using light blue color. Light green color. Light green color. Brown color. This is brown color. Brown color. This is brown color. Black color. Black color. This is black color. Black color. Light blue color again. We are using light blue color. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.